Ugh, what is a cost center anyways? Understanding Cost Centers by Joy Metelsky. So what is a cost center anyways? You know Omnis? Yeah. You know that 12-digit green screen code? Yeah. Looks like this. That's what Salesforce calls a cost center code. Eureka! So why does this cost center code matter? Because cost centers have all the financial transactions attached to them. Cha-ching! So how do these cost centers fit into Salesforce? Here's Omnis. Here's Salesforce. You would think that they communicate with each other, huh? They don't. So how does Salesforce get our financial data? Good question. It starts in Australia. That's where the Global Lighthouse team is. Say hi. Hi. The global team pulls all the new cost center codes that were created, as well as any cost center codes that had transactions on it last month. The cost center codes travel from Australia to the US. Then around the 15th of the month, the US sends them to Canada. When the cost center codes enter Salesforce, they look for their match. If the cost center code was properly pre-created in Salesforce, the match is found and the transaction information is dropped into the account in Salesforce. If the cost center code was not pre-entered in Salesforce, no match is found and those cost center codes become homeless. Now that they have been deemed as homeless, those cost center codes get placed into Canada's exceptions folder. They sit there sadly, waiting to find their home. Do you know how long it takes for your Salesforce guru to find the proper homes for these cost center codes? 3 to 4 weeks! Which leaves her utterly frustrated and sad and less productive. Ooh. So what's in it for you? Transactions attached to your accounts, being able to log a win, accounts that don't defect, accounts that don't fall into the queue, accounts that aren't wrongly pursued by others, tracking the financial data going into your shop, and visibility for leadership to see what business and staff is needed. So what can you do to help? A lot! If you're an account manager, here's your 3 easy steps. 1. Create your green screen. 2. Copy and paste the cost center code and company name and email it to your BDM. 3. Or, if it's a trading account already, add the cost center to Salesforce yourself. If you're a BDM, here's your 3 easy steps. 1. Get the cost center code info from the account manager. 2. Make sure it's either right after the implementation meeting or at the first booking. 3. Enter the cost center code into Salesforce. Then you know what happens? Our exceptions folder goes from 700 a month to 0, which takes Canada out of the last place position for exceptions. Because who should be number 1? Canada, of course. You know what else happens? Your Salesforce guru will be grateful, and you will reap the benefits of quality data. Everyone wins, and that's a great thing. The end. Thanks for learning. Love, your Salesforce guru.
Created using Powtoon.